In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Bitwarden. Bitwarden is a powerful and secure password manager, perfect for both personal and business use, allowing you to safely store and organize your passwords and sensitive information. By the end of this session, you'll be able to easily manage and categorize your items using folders in Bitwarden. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Bitwarden website. Once you're there, you'll see the main page, which showcases its features as a top-notch password manager. This is a trusted platform that's known for its security and versatility, and it serves a wide range of users, from individuals to large enterprises. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one and choose a strong master password. Your master password protects your vault, so it's crucial to have one that's both strong and memorable. Once you're ready, click on the Login button. This will take you to the login interface, where you'll enter your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Bitwarden Vaults. The Vault is the central hub for all your stored data, and it's here that you can really start organizing your information. Next, look for the New button within your vault. This is your gateway to creating new entries, and it gives you control over how you want to store your data. When you click on New, several options will appear, but today we're focused on creating a new folder. The New Folder option is what you need if you're aiming to bring order to the different pieces of information you store in Bitwarden. Upon selecting New Folder, you'll be prompted to name your folder. Choose a name that clearly represents the items you plan to store there. This will help keep things organized and easily accessible. Once you've typed in your preferred name, the next step is to click on Save. This action finalizes the creation of your folder and ensures it's added to your vault, so you can start utilizing it straight away. Now you're all set to start migrating your items into their respective folders. Folders in Bitwarden make it simple to categorize your passwords, notes, and other sensitive information, allowing for a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. You can easily edit or rename folders as your needs change, keeping your vault not only secure, but also flexible and adaptable to your evolving organizational habits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create folders in Bitwarden, a step that will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and ensure that your sensitive information is stored in a logical, orderly manner. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!